I want to make it clear that I will take back the properties, companies, businesses, and money that Gabby Lopez, Chris Lopez, Minchi Lopez, Gabby's children and wife have until Charo Santos Concio. You are not allowed to sell the companies, properties, and businesses that I funded the capital from. I will have all the bank accounts of companies and businesses transferred to my name so that you will not interfere. Pay your bulky expenses that you have refunded to each company and businesses. Pay the allowances that you take every month from companies and businesses, because I am the only one who has the right to that, because I am the owner, not you. The law will only pursue you if you pay compensation damages. Get out of here as soon as possible. Don't bother with that anymore. If the law allows you to have a salary and a bonus, but it is as much as the employee rate, it will not exceed, because what you are doing is a scam. Good day. Thank you very much.